everything we're recording sound now. So, making our sewer recording here at 10064 65th Ave South. Date is March 29th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out here in the garage of the home. I'm going to pull back from this point. This is as far as I can push the camera out. I've located this spot about 9 feet deep in the corner of the yard between the two homes. The house to the, what would you call that direction? South. The home to the south. I'm going to pull back from this point. Get a look at the line leading up to there. Can't tell what exactly is going on right here, but I can't push my camera past this turn. It could just be a sharp turn, or it could be some other issue with the line. But it's very hard to see what's going on there. So we're going into...
It's like just a dead end, almost.
It almost looks like it's turning to the right here. It could be, but it's hard to say what exactly is happening there. So coming back from there, we come into 4-inch diameter concrete pipe where we got a seam almost every 2 feet or so. We've got a skid on the camera, so it's keeping us propped up off of the ground a little bit. But you can see the concrete's aggregate along the bottom. That's about where that sewage has been running for the past, 70, 80, 90, 100 years. Come back every 2 feet, there's a seam. That's where these little bits of root are coming through. So the seams in the pipe.
This is all fine, I guess.
Yeah, no, it's intact. And we're coming to the turn here in a second where we've got the break. So there's a turn in the pipe, and you see this seam has separated from, or this joint. That's where that next piece of pipe is, and that's where the camera keeps jamming in through this corner. Because right at this turn there, you can see it pretty clearly. There's a big hole in the pipe.
Wow.
So,
Okay.
pretty good sized hole there at that turn.
Everything's backing up there. It's like spilling in.
Yeah, you're pulling dirt in. Your sewage is all kind of piling into that hole.
Right, and then downstream of that, all the mud, etc.
Yep, there's our repair that was recently installed, and coming back into the cast. So from the repair, we're looking at 41 feet of pipe to the wet section where I can't get past.
To the corner of the yard, 41 feet.
Yeah, to that